Hello, my name is Tom Laing. Let's take a look at the current real estate market in the Twin Cities area. All right, median sales price right here. Currently, right now, it's 390K. Just for contrast, June 2023. Last year, it was 382.8. Let's call it 383K. So $7,000 more than last year. Sales prices have been going up. Let's see here. Next, the total number of homes for sale. Let's check that out. Right now, it is 9,123. That's a promising number because last year at this time it was 8,053. So 1,000 more homes for sale, more supply, better for buyers. And it's honestly so low, it's good for both sides. Let's see here. The average days on market. Let's check that out. Average days on market right now is 34. Last year at the same time, it was 31 days on market. So not a huge change there. Let's look at interest rates. I know everybody wants to see this. I was very surprised when I woke up this morning and saw this. So as of 7/18/2024, the interest rate right now on a 30-year mortgage is 6.77. Not horrible compared to what it was. Here we are, what is this? In May of this year, it was on a 30-year, it was 7.2. So you can see it slowly going down. And this big spike over here was October 2023. So October 2023 on a 30-year was 7.79. And right now we're a full point less than that. So it's 6.7. So a whole point less than that. That matters as far as the payments on your house. It just makes it a lot easier for people to afford the payments and buy. Okay, mortgage rates, got that out of the way. So a few takeaways real quick. The median sales price is still rising and has been for a really long time. There's the reason why I want to do this video this way, because you can look at the MLS. As far as it'll let me go back on, not days on market, on sales price. So here we are right now, 390K. That's what it is right now. And this chart goes all the way back to 2005. All right. So what year would be a bad year to buy a house? Would it be 2006? Does that sound about right? 2006. So in 2006, let's do June. The average price of a home in the Twin City was $237,000. That is the median sales price. We could do the average. I like median better. So the median sales price in June 2006 was $238,000 if you round it up. Right now, it is $390,000. So almost $400,000. What does that say? It says it's been going up since, I don't know, about 2012. If you look at all these dips here, continually rise, continually rise, continually rise. And my point is, if you bought a house at the worst time, 2006, at the worst time, that same house right now, if you bought one on average at 238, that same house is now almost $400,000, almost doubled in value. So yes, real estate values have gone down in the not so distant past. But what's funny about that is even if you bought at the worst time, we're still way above that if you look at it in the grand scheme of things. All right. And also another thing I wanted to say is the number of homes for sale right now is up 1,000 over what it was last year. I think that's great news for everybody. Obviously, the supply and demand problem that we've been having has pushed up prices. I guess that's good for sellers, but not good for sellers if you want to buy, because then it ends up being a wash. Anyways, everybody wants equity in their house. I understand that. Why wouldn't you? But if everything else is really expensive because there's low supply, that's bad. So I was talking to a friend of mine about the Goldilocks zone. Is that what does that even mean? The Goldilocks zone to buy houses? I'm not even quite sure. But what I think that it means is where interest rates and wages make sense to how expensive houses are. And it's getting closer right now. It's a little bit stagnant, which is almost a good thing for both sides, because you don't want it to be a seller's market or a buyer's market. You want it to be stable and not volatile. I think right now what the Federal Reserve has done, and I hate to say it, right now it has stabilized things a little bit, and the mortgage rates, they are slowly coming down, which is nice. You know, that's good for everybody on both sides. If you have to buy, you have to sell. Either way, it's nice if they're low. Obviously, it helps the entire economy. Let's see here. Houses are still selling quick. That's not a big deal. A lot of that sign of the times, and a lot of that's because of it's summer in Minnesota. Houses are going to go quicker than they would if you try to sell one in, say January or February. So that's not that big of a deal. Okay, that's all I got. My name is Tom Laing. Thanks for listening. I'm a real estate agent from the great state of Minnesota. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please hit me up. I'll have my contact information below. Thanks for sticking around and have a great day.